Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design, the channel where you will find modern interior design videos related to houses and bungalows. So if you want to decorate and renovate your house, please subscribe our channel and also follow us on our social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Pinterest, whose links are there in the description below. Decades ago, the kitchen was hidden in the back of the house. It was a place where meals were prepared and dirty dishes were washed. Fast forward to 2020 and the kitchen has a different role. Today the kitchen is the focal point of the home and the place that brings everyone together at the start of the day or after a long day. Now instead the kitchen is paraded in all its beauty and warmth at the very center of the house. Kitchens have changed a lot over the decades and planning of a kitchen remodel is very important. Technology advances and challenges, social dynamics have contributed greatly to the rise of the modern kitchen. There is a far bigger focus on open concept homes that revolve around the kitchen so everyone can be together. As with any modern design trends, clean and simple styles have become favorite of homeowners, with natural lights becoming an essential aspect of the overall look and function of the kitchen space. In this video, we have shown the top trends in kitchen designs you can expect in 2020. Technologies have entered the kitchen in full force and not just in the form of fancy gadgets and appliances. Today, you can have kitchens with technology integrated into every function and appliance, from faucet to the fridge to the lighting. This is what we call a smart kitchen. Smart kitchens are an evolving aspect of designs. In fact, a lot of kitchens today are built smart from the ground up. For older kitchens, sensors, smart gadgets and other devices can be added for convenience to the homeowners. Easy add-ons are motion sense equipped kitchen faucets that can sense the presence of hand underneath will come on automatically on try one touch feature. Refrigerators that can alert you when your groceries items are running low, or coffee maker programmed to have your coffee ready when you wake up. There is also a gadget that monitors your egg telling you which one are almost going bad. Do not forget to update your lighting systems allowing you to control the lights from your smartphone or tablets. Technology integrated kitchens are becoming more popular as homeowners experiment with novel technologies. This is one of the biggest trends going in 2020. Although these white cabinets are classic look that can be used in almost any kind of kitchen styles, we are slowly starting to see them on the way out. We expect white to start declining in popularity throughout 2020. To break up white kitchen, expect to see island in a variety of different paint colors or wood stained colors. The mixing of finishes create a neat accent piece and an additional pop of color for the brave of hearts. These pop of color will be most popular in shades of blue and green. In addition to these natural shades is another color palette that is making its way into the kitchen: dark jewel tones such as black, navy, emerald green and even plum. It will surprise you that how well dark kitchen cabinets can work in and enhance a kitchen space with its dramatic and luxurious feel. Dark kitchen cabinet portrays full-on elegance and a deep, rich, luxurious atmosphere that other options just don't. They cast a kitchen in a subtle, dramatic essence. However, you have to be careful that it does not overpower the room, making it feel perpetually dark. But more and more homeowners are getting bolder and opting for kitchens with dark cabinet colors in 2020. Expect to see tons of black and darker color shades in the trendiest home of 2020. While styles like farmhouses and mid-century moderns are still popular, homeowners are getting more streamlined in the overall aesthetics, designs and alternative materials for kitchens. Stress-free environments are what you would like to come home to and drown out the day-to-day stresses of life, which usually means simplicity. Simple looks are all about modern clean lines. They will continue to be huge hit throughout 2020. Take a look at some of the simple modern designs of kitchen in this video. Removing upper wall cabinet has become a growing trend in the last few years since it opened up the visual space, making the kitchen appear much larger and brighter. It allows you to utilize the countertop space more productively. Not to mention, most people can't reach what is on the top shelves of the cabinetry anyway. Although open shelves would be a great alternative if the added storage space is needed for focal point element was desired. When we say streamlined, we don't want to equate that with boring. So consider material with textures. If you are using open shelving, rough cut wood to bring in natural element or metal tubing for more industrial attitude. Floor tiles in a natural stone or backsplash tiles that are sculpted, beveled or stacked make or move for the perfect focal point. These interesting textures are very different than the usual polished or glossy finish we see everywhere. You may even want to consider a ceiling that bring in added punch. Coffer tray and wood beams are the perfect choices to consider. For high-end kitchen countertop, quartz still resigns supreme. The material is extremely hard, can last virtually forever, is a breeze to maintain and is antimicrobial. Granite, the main component in the high-end bracket, requires slightly more maintenance. When quartz countertop first came into the market, the main worry was lack of variety in terms of color and finishes. But with the time, thanks to technology, manufacturers have provided a wide range of colors to choose from as well as realistic stone patterns. You may even get quartz finished with elaborate swirls and large veining to imitate other materials like natural stones. These unique styles have become immensely popular. But there is a notable trend towards softer and more neutral colors. More and more homeowners are opting for colors like grey, taupe, creamy, or white finishes. The pattern preferences have changed to veining from particulate that we have seen in the past years. This is definitely follow the trend towards cleaner style seen in the most home spaces. While we are still on the topic of countertop, it is important to mention the rising popularity of the composite sinks. These are sinks made from the same material as the countertop. This creates a cleaner, uniform look and makes cleaning and maintenance much easier. However, it is going to be a tough battle against the still very popular stainless steel and farmhouse sinks. One of the biggest annoyances of the kitchen cabinet is the unnecessary waste of space. The way the basic shelves and drawers are structured leaves a lot of wasted space. Worst of all, the available space is often too small for some of the larger things or opposite. It's too wide and does not give you a way of to properly and efficiently organize the space. One of the foundational kitchen is kitchen storage. If it is inadequate or ineffective, you will be faced with endless frustration and challenges. To counter these storage challenges, homeowners are starting to look for better storage solutions with cabinetry. These can include appliances, garages for a small appliance. 2020 will also see a range of new kitchen storage options throughout the whole kitchen, focused on making daily lives more effortless and making cooking fun. Hardwood flooring is still very popular when it comes to kitchen flooring, but the second most popular option, ceramic flooring, is about to get more attention. Thanks to technology, ceramic flooring now come in a wide variety of designs and styles and sizes. For example, you can get ceramic tiles that look exactly like hardwood flooring. So if you want to retain the hardwood look but wanted a material that is easier to maintain, considering using ceramic. In addition to wood, ceramic tiles can be designed to resemble a range of other materials including the natural stone. Then the surface texture is changed to mimic these materials. In terms of sizing, you do not have to go for traditional sizing any longer. It seems like the sky is the limit with variety in larger format tiles. You can get single plank tiles that resemble actual wide planks of hardwood once laid down on the floor, or you can get the custom cut tiles to create a unique pattern kitchen. Kitchen islands are no longer an afterthought or something small to squeeze into the space. They have become focal points on the hub of the kitchen. One of the changes emerging is the single larger sizing, serving multiple uses, especially since we are seeing less wall cabinet space in kitchen designs. Kitchen island is meant to create an impact and design must make a statement. The 2020 larger kitchen island will become a jack of all trades. They will have storage solution, cabinet and be fitted with various under-counter appliances while also providing a seating serving as a casual dining or drinking bar. To accommodate the increased size, we are seeing a tendency for the kitchen island to expand into the living room spaces. In home with open plan designs, this ensures that the kitchen island can be multifunctional without clearing the space in the kitchen. Backsplashes can be a fun part of the house to decorate. However, these style backsplashes in kitchen always seem to have new trends and styles. With all the constant change, you can keep up. We are here to help you and guide you. The top trends in kitchen backsplash designs. First thing first, subway tiles are out. Okay, maybe not completely, but if homeowners are using them these days, they are using larger ones. People are moving out of larger slabs of tiles and tiles with various textures of patterns. The color choices are endless here. It just depends on the colors you choose in your kitchen, and of course, personal taste. A pop of color would be right now allow you to get more creative with your design. Neutral patterns with natural texture is another option for those looking for a classic look. Another big changes we are seeing in the backsplashes are the size and the portion of wall they are covering. Larger slabs are taking over. These slabs can be marble, quartz, wood, copper, stainless steel, glass. The list goes forever. Regarding wall coverage, backsplashes are rising to the ceiling. With upper cabinets on their way out, homeowners are left with more space when it comes to decorating these space. Tile backsplashes are popular choice. Let these upcoming trends serve as a design idea for your 2020 kitchen renovation or new home construction. These ideas combine the best functionality and aesthetics to create the ultimate kitchen. Hope friends you like this video, and if you did so, please like this video by putting a thumbs up to this video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and also follow us on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Pinterest. Those links are there in the description box below. We'll meet again soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.